Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, you can subscribe and enjoy the analysis of market every day, every week, and sometimes like this analysis, which is out of a sudden. I was watching the market and my, uh, I mean, watching list. Then I realized that there is something nice to trade, and there will be an opportunity. So, the item I want to analyze is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And if you take a look at the chart and if you take a look at the history, this is the 4 hour, time frame. You can see we had, a sharp uptrend from March, and we were, you know, up to this point, and after this point we had something like a trading range. Okay, but for trading range, before I have told you what kind of a strategy we have, and you can find it in my channel in the price action folder, BLSH strategy. Now I want to tell you something interesting. We have some signals from the supply zone. You can see a doji candle, if you can see that right now, this one. This shows that many people have closed their buy position and they have started selling. Okay, at the same time, if you look at the candles, daily candles are very sharp and they are full body. And even when you take a look at the weekly candle, we had a perfect full body candle for weekly. Okay, but no problem, we are traders and this market has two sides. No problem. There are two possibilities. I want to share the possibilities with you, then I will tell you what you should do. Even though it is not financial advice for anyone else, this is just education and you can learn, and you are responsible for your trades. Okay, I have drawn this trend line, if you can see. Okay, and take a look at this trend line in 1 hour. This is the 1 hour and trend line. Okay, you can draw the same. And I want to tell you another thing. If there is a breakout of this trend line, okay, if there is a breakout of this trend line, there is an MTR, just we could go for sell. And you can go for sell for this amount of profit. Okay, but there is another possibility. I told you the candles are very sharp. If we have a breakout of this zone, 103.192, well, or 104, let me say, and pull back to this zone, you can go for the historical, supply zone, which is 107. Okay, if you take a look at this chart in daily or weekly, yes, in weekly you can see there was an area of supply which is 107, and the next target of Canadian dollar, JPY or Japanese yen would be 107 to 108 dollars. So I told you about both possibilities and I told you what you should do. But it's not important that you wait only for watching the market about the things are gonna happen. You can set alarm here and here, and then you can just go and just leave without any problem. Now I can tell you how you can set your alarm. All right. Take a look at my chart. I told you that in order to set alert, you can just right click on your trading view and just click on add alert, this part, and you can just you can say send email or notify an app, the application. If you have the same and synchronized application on your cell phone, it's okay. Then you can just enter on your keyboard easily, and you can see the alert was made here. And at the same time, you can make another alert here. For example, then you can add alert and easily you can enter it. Now you can see there are two alerts. You can easily move them, and it is possible even you can do it on your MetaTrader that I will explain for you. It is much more easier on this platform. I mean, MetaTrader 4 or 5, no difference. I always use this, but I just wanted to show you on TradingView how you can do it. Anyway, but I want to just right click here, then trading, then alert. Easily. Then you can just move it, something like this. Then you can double click on it and you can change the, you can customize it for yourself like this. And you can choose alert, email, news, tick, everything. You can customize it here. You can set date and whatever. And you can set the other alert here. You can, put different alerts and free of charge on MetaTrader, and it's easy for you. And if you can see, I have set 2 alerts to understand I want to go for buy or for sell. At the moment, I do nothing, and I just wait to see what will happen. Everything I said had just educational purpose only. I hope you used it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because I always post educational content for you and my analysis every day. Have a great time. Bye-bye.